With the best pork in the world, hit super hot charcoal, you get amazing flavors. It's like eating butter. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're cooking Iberico Skirt Steak from Campo Grande, caveman style, and serving it with some asparagus and some ash aioli. The cup we're going to use today is the Iberico Skirt Steak, so let's open up the package. And you can see the tremendous intramuscular marbling that this cut has. The only thing we want to do to it is trim off some of the excess fat, and then we're going to season heavily with flaky sea salt, and then we can set it aside. Now it's time to prepare all the ingredients. We want to remove 5 of the green leek leaves. We want to place this in an oven-proof pan, and then we're going to bake this in an oven set at 450 degrees for about an hour. After an hour, it's completely charred, and you can remove it, place it in the blender, and blend to a powder. We're going to add a teaspoon of the leek ash to a cup of garlic aioli and mix, and the rest we can set aside for later. We want to remove the hard stems from a bunch of white asparagus. Then we need to oil this and season with salt. The ingredients are ready, so let's get outside and start grilling. We're going to dump 2 chimney starter of hard lumped charcoal in our grill. When the charcoal turns gray and becomes super hot, it's time to add the Iberico Skirt Steak. We're gonna throw these right on the embers. After about 2 minutes, you wanna flip them over and shake off any excess ash. Then we wanna grill these till they reach an inner temperature of about 140 degrees, and then we can remove them from the grill. We also wanna place some aluminum foil in the grill and add the asparagus. Now we wanna grill the asparagus until they have a light char, but still crispy. When ready, remove them from the grill. We're gonna start plating this by adding the asparagus to the plate. Then we're gonna pour some veal demi-glace on top. We wanna slice the Iberico Skirt Steak into strips and make sure that you cut them against the grain. Then we want to place these on top of the asparagus. We're going to add a couple of leaves of chervil. We're also going to pipe 3 dollops of our ash aioli. And last but not least, we're going to top the aioli dots with a little bit more of the powdered ash. And then this beautiful dish is ready to serve. And that is how I make my caveman-style Iberico Skirt Steak with Iberico pork from Campo Grande, served with asparagus and a little bit of ash aioli. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. So here we go. This is so good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.